best tractor last year was a lemon painted thing there. I didn't want that to happen this time, so I gave him the number 13, and it worked. So,
How much did you pay you for that?
Still paying it off.
here we go then, are we ready? Best presented. Fourth, I'm going home. Fourth prize, Colin Townsend. Thank you. Excuse me, young man. Best, hey up.
Hey up, come over here.
He wants to get a photograph. Go on, we'll shake hands again.
Hang on.
He wants to be there.
Lovely, thank you.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Cheers. Yet again, another spelling mistake. Third prize, Braid Ropes. Now Ray says to me this could possibly be, because of health issues, this could possibly be his last tractor Ashby attendance anyway, so well done, Ray.
Look at the camera, right?
Second prize, Robert Cole. First prize, and richly deserved, Peter Smith.
I always thought it over. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Right, the next one is the tractor the judge would most like to take home. There's two prizes here, because I know Eddie's efficient, but he's only printed 2 cards. It should have been 4. Don't tell him, anybody. But second prize, Chris Barham.
Look at the camera.
All of you looking at the camera. The young man. Yeah, no, I can't see the young man. Gotcha.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now this particular recipient assured me this morning, I can't get in there with this 7.8, is it 7.6, 7.8? I can't get in that gap there. I says have a bit of faith and try it, straight in. So, you know, never underestimate yourself, even if you are a rubbish tractor driver. Winner of the first prize for the tractor the judge would most like to take home, Mark Williamson. Don't put the expensive glasses on now. Right.
That makes you look intelligent.
First time ever. Right, there's no cards, there's only one winner, but we've done it in four of them, so people's choice this was.
Just to let you know, we had about 150 votes because we printed about 150 cards and they all got used.
And we ran out. Yeah, so that was successful. Right. Fourth, some green thing with Craig Lowe written on it. Sorry, there's no cards. Third, red one. No, sorry, a grey one. Nearly. John Whiston. Another spelling mistake. An off-white one. Paul Stropson. And the winner is Fordson N, Philip Bates. due.
Where is he?
Where is he? He's not here. Oh, he's here. Got the box, Stuart. Got the box.
Oh yes.
Come on, Stuart. I know people are going home, but is Stuart's carer still here?
Groves broke that, didn't he?
Can you talk about yourself?
Right, I'll entertain you. There's 150 cards in there. Certain gentleman, again with the lemon yellow thing, put 30 of those in himself.
Never got the wrong bloody number.
Right, pick a card.
Do you want to do the prize first?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I've picked a card out there.
I don't know how many is it? I don't know how much.
It doesn't say his age or anything, but it's a young lad called Will Price.
So we'll ring him up and let him have the tractor.
We'll give him the tractor. So whether David wants to say anything, but first of all,
Give us that, correct? Give us the card.
I think I'm going to lose it.
Yeah, do.
It's lost. Right. The intention was to have a nice display of the oldest tractors here, and then a good photograph there with the presentation there. But as the day has gone on, to add insult to injury, I couldn't do that because the sun's in the wrong place. But I tried. But a certain bloke up there wasn't going to allow it. So there we are. From my perspective, I just want to say thank you.
Graham, thank you. As chairman of the club, I want to thank everybody for participating. We've had a good day. We have been messed about a bit, I think, anyway. We're really tight on the day. But most of all, I want to thank Graham. Heart and soul into it, and he does a good job. He doesn't think he does, but he does.
Yes.
So I want to thank you, Graham.
And can we thank the home for letting him out?
You should have.
Thanks again to all of you.
We've had a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you anyway.